Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly cover Mana, but before that, let me show you what's going on with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin broke out of this ascending triangle. It went up, and then now it's creating this. It created this ascending triangle, smaller one. Okay, so it popped out of it. Now it's trying to just consolidate and see what's going on. Hopefully, it's retesting this line over here at 50,800, and then maybe move towards the upside. This is the target for Bitcoin 52,374, and hopefully because you can see this target from the top to the bottom, and hopefully it's the same. Yeah, close to over there, but this is the target because there's resistance at this area. If it breaks it, it can even get over there, because on the daily time frame you can see where the 20 moving average is. Okay, it's trying to get to there until or unless 20 moving average creeps up to the price. Okay, either or. Now let's get into Mana. Okay, so yesterday with Mana we had a good upside. The reason we had a good upside was because it created this reversal pattern. I told you if it was gonna come to its support, which was at $3.22 ish level, and you can see it bounced off that support really strongly. Now it created this pattern. I can draw it for you. It is a inverse head and shoulder pattern, and as soon as it got here, bull stepped it and it broke out of it. Okay, broke out, came back, retest, went up. Now it's just playing around in this area. You can see that retest one more time. Okay, so Bitcoin, it really needs to go up in order for us to move to the upside. Now these patterns usually occur when there's a reversal going on. Okay, but this is a good sign. So let's get into the 4-hourly time frame. Now in the 4-hourly, you could also see this pattern over here, double bottom. So there were a couple of nice patterns that came into play yesterday, but this is the support. I've marked it for you guys, $3.22, and you can see at the moment we are above the 0.618 level. So it came back, retest, and now it's just trying to see what Bitcoin is going to do. This is the resistance line. Like I told you in my previous video, this resistance needs to be broken. Okay, if Mana, gets above this resistance line, we have this resistance over here, which is the $4 sits at $4.02, and then it will test this level, come back, maybe retest, and start moving to the upside. But we have to break this resistance first. Okay, and you can see that we can also build a case. Mana is building this pattern, like I told you. Okay, like this pattern. Okay, so it's just playing in this pattern now. It broke out over here because there was a panic sell, but it came back in, and then you see it found support here. Then now it's moving to the upside. We want to see, maybe it breaks out over here. If it does that, that's great. And then maybe come back, retest, and then do something like this. Okay, then you can see what it's creating. It's creating a ascending triangle. That's what I mean. And then it can start moving to the upside. Then if it does that, it's going to have a price target from the top to the bottom right over there. Okay, if it does that, it hasn't done that yet, so we can't talk about it. But hopefully, we should always try to, see all kind of scenarios. So yeah, at the moment, the support is at $3.22. 0.618 level is at $3.66. So this is also a good support. That only depends if Bitcoin, let me see, Bitcoin, yeah, holds this level and just, moves to the upside. If Bitcoin decides to come back and, maybe bounce off here or come back, retest this support, then we might see a little bit of a shake off in the market. Okay, but overall things are looking good for Mana. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, and we know that Mana is doing something within this pattern. You can see it wick down, came back in, wick down, came back in, wick down, came back in. Now, one more thing to take in consideration, that this candle was below this candle open to the top. Okay, so this is also a good sign. We just want to see that Mana break this 20 moving average. If it breaks this 20 moving average, then bullish momentums are gonna be in place, okay? Because you can see every time it's above the 20 moving average, the price is going to the upwards, okay? We just want to see that. But this is a good pattern. It's like a falling wedge, you can say falling channel. So these are usually bullish patterns. If you go to the RSI, even in the RSI, you can see this previous run, it broke out of this, excuse me, guys. It came out from this, broke out from this support, came down, fell to this line, and then and consolidated and moved to the upside. Let's see what happened here, okay? Right over here is the line. At this area, okay? It came down, and I showed you this in my previous videos where it did create something very similar. You see that? And then it held this support, and then it moved to the upside. So it was below the 20 moving average, as you can see. It came down, tested its support, got support here, it got up, retest, came above the 20 moving average, and then so on. It went to the upside. You can see very similar thing going on here. Came down, testing this area, and hopefully, if we get above the 20 moving average, then that's going to be really good for mana. But we need to see. Let's see the volume. The volume is a little bit, it's kind of low. We need some volume in there. But your supports and resistance. Support is at $3.23. And if we break that, I'm not saying it will, but let's just hope it holds it, because we do have this another support in line now. So that if it breaks the resistance, this top line, we know it's going to the upside, okay? We know if this support gets broken, it's going to the downside, okay? But let's see what happens. Overall, it's creating bullish patterns at the moment, and hopefully it breaks to the upside. But overall, things are looking good. At this point, Bitcoin, it's trying to get up to that 52,000 levels. So hopefully it does that, and then we have a very good run that can take place. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment below if you have any questions. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so kindly subscribe. Okay. It really helps the channel. Appreciate it. Thank you.